this is the Cooking Elf. Today I'm going to show you how to make some amazing French toast. I experimented a lot before coming up with my own version, which we call Elf Toast French style. It is honestly the best French toast I've ever had. You will need bread. The bread is very important. I tried all the recipes and kinds of bread, from French bread to brioche to challah. Pepperidge Farm Hearty White worked the best for me. I added eggs, brown sugar, heavy cream, salt, butter, and vanilla, and then added strawberries to garnish. Let's get started. First, set your oven to 350 degrees. Put your bread in a pan and heat it for 4.5 minutes on each side. This makes it firmer so that it can properly absorb the egg mixture without falling apart. You could also leave the bread overnight, but who likes stale bread? Next, take a large bowl, pour in 4 eggs mixed very well, then put in half a cup of light brown sugar. I used a tablespoon more than half a cup, which worked great for me. Mix well. Then add half a teaspoon of salt. Salt is important. It brings out the flavor. Then stir in 2 teaspoons of vanilla as you mix it all together. You can also add a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of cinnamon if you like as well. Finally, blend in 3/4 cup of heavy cream and mix until smooth. Take out the bread and set it next to a frying pan and your egg mixture, then put 2 tablespoons of butter in the pan. I turn the heat up to a little over medium. I want the butter melted and the pan hot enough so the bread sizzles at first, but not so hot that I burn the butter. I turn the heat down right after I put the bread in. The next part is the most important. There's a bit of an art to soaking the bread, as much as possible without it starting to fall apart. I put the bread in the egg mixture for about 45 seconds per side, gently pushing it down to make sure it is evenly covered. The French toast should be full of flavor, but not soggy. The more you let the bread soak, the more amazing it tastes. The shorter, the more firm. It is a balance. I again found 45 seconds per side to be perfect. Each person has to gauge as they go according to how they like it. I only made 1 piece because after all my experiments, I have gained 5 pounds. So I'm constraining myself and the leprechaun to 1 slice. Cook slowly on each side on medium heat, adjusting to low as you go until it is golden brown. I put a little powdered sugar and some strawberries and butter on the plate to make it look colorful, but honestly, just a little syrup is best for me. The taste is so good I don't want to offset it with anything, so I just eat strawberries afterwards. Now here's the recipe. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more magical elf recipes coming soon.